The Nyasa Sisters, guardians of Lake Malawi. Deep in the shimmering waters of Lake Malawi, a hidden underwater village thrived. In this enchanted realm lived African mermaids, each with unique gifts. Zina, the wise leader, Thandi, the healer, Malaika, the singer, and Kesa, the playful dancer. The villagers called them the Nyasa Sisters, though few had ever seen them. Tales of their existence were whispered among the locals, but they were mostly regarded as myths. For months, the village near the lake had been troubled by a mystery. The fish, the lifeblood of the community, had dwindled dramatically. The fishermen returned empty-handed day after day, and no one could explain why. One moonlit night, a young girl named Amina wandered to the lake's edge, clutching a small, handmade drum. She had heard the stories of the Nyasa Sisters and decided to call upon them with her music. As she played, the lake's surface began to ripple, glowing with an ethereal light. To Amina's amazement, the four mermaids emerged, their shimmering tails reflecting the moonlight. "Why have you summoned us, child?" Zina asked, her voice carrying the weight of ages. Amina explained the plight of her village, tears streaming down her face. "The fish are gone, and we don't know why. Please help us." Thandi swam closer, her gentle eyes filled with compassion. "We have noticed the change, but we did not realize it had caused such suffering. We will investigate." The Nyasa Sisters dove deep into the lake, searching for answers. Guided by Zina's wisdom, they discovered the source of the problem: a large underwater net that had been abandoned by poachers. The net had trapped many fish, disrupting the lake's ecosystem. Kesa, the fastest swimmer, inspected the net closely. "It's tangled around the coral. We must remove it carefully to avoid causing more harm." The sisters worked together to free the net. Malaika used her melodic voice to summon friendly aquatic creatures who helped untangle the mess. Thandi applied her healing powers to the damaged coral, ensuring it could regenerate. After hours of effort, the net was finally removed and the fish began to return to the area. The next morning, the fishermen were astonished to find their nets brimming with fish. Word spread quickly, and the village erupted in celebration. Yet no one knew who had solved the mystery. Amina kept the secret, cherishing her encounter with the Nyasa Sisters. The villagers decided to hold a grand festival by the lake to give thanks. They decorated the shore with lanterns and prepared traditional dishes. As night fell, the community gathered, singing and dancing under the starlit sky. To everyone's amazement, the lake began to glow once more. The Nyasa Sisters emerged, their presence breathtaking. Zina stepped forward, her voice carrying across the crowd. "We are the Nyasa Sisters, guardians of this lake. It was our honor to restore balance, but it was your music, your hope, that called us." The villagers cheered, welcoming the mermaids with open arms. Kesa danced on the water's surface, inspiring the children to join in with laughter and joy. Thandi shared her healing touch, tending to the elderly and ailing, while Zina shared stories of the lake's history, teaching the villagers how to protect its ecosystem. The festival continued until the early hours of the morning, a celebration of community, resilience, and harmony with nature. The Nyasa Sisters, once thought to be mere legends, became cherished friends and allies of the village. They promised to watch over the lake and its people, ensuring the bond between them remained strong. As the first rays of dawn painted the sky, the Nyasa Sisters returned to their underwater village, leaving behind a renewed community filled with hope and gratitude. From that day on, the villagers worked together to preserve the lake, and the Nyasa Sisters became symbols of unity and balance, forever remembered in songs and stories passed down through generations.